Hello everyone, I'm Matt Hooch with Sawhorse. We have our COVID-19 wash station set up at our job site right here. And I've got a set of 5 instructions. I'm going to demonstrate how to follow these instructions and keep your hands, or first of all, get your hands clean and keep them clean through the process. So the first thing you need to do is use your wrist, not your hands, on this lever down here. And we've installed this lever, that way when you push it over, the water comes on, get your hands wet, get some soap, and 20 seconds is about happy birthday. So I'm gonna sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. My son's birthday was yesterday. Anthony, happy birthday to you. All right, all clean. I've cleaned all the different parts of the hands. We're gonna go and rinse off. Now once you've rinsed off, do not touch this lever with your hands again. Use your wrist. Turn it off. Now your hands are clean. Now you do need to make sure you do dry your hands. And in this scenario, because we don't leave paper towel outside because it's just going to get wet or stolen, who knows, because there are shortages on paper towel. Air dry, shake them off a little bit, and within a few minutes your hands are dry. Now make sure you do this before you enter the job site, before you eat, and also especially after you use the latrine. Because, oh, I'm sorry, let's call it a porta potty. When you use the porta potty, if you're using hand sanitizer, that is not going to kill all the microbes. There are several strains of bacteria and also some viruses that can give you bad intestinal flus and other types of diarrhea. And if you don't use soap and water, you can spread these, especially if you're about to eat, and contaminate others as well. Be safe. Thanks again for watching our video, and for your convenience, we've loaded up the next video. Just click on the next button over there. And also, if you liked the video and you want to see more just like it, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Make sure you hit the notifications, and we'll see you next time.